Have you ever noticed that a lot of plugin videos start the same way?
I'm gonna show you how to do XYZ on this plugin.
And then the next 30 seconds will be them going through all of the features, loads of tabs, showing you all of the settings and telling you why it's the best thing that you need to be using. There'll be some integrations flying in, and then they'll very briefly tell you about the pricing plans. I'm even guilty of doing that when I'm showcasing plugins, but you know, when I see videos like that, or even when someone approaches me and we're looking at a plugin or they want me to do a video on it, the question I have is, what problem is this plugin actually solving? Because if we're going to be honest, a lot of people don't wake up in the morning going, I really need a plugin because I want to do some dynamic conditional filtering. They're going to be thinking about a problem that is affecting them, their business, or their clients. Maybe they're not very efficient. Maybe they're not getting sales. Maybe they're not getting conversions. Maybe there is something that they know their market or their target audience would love, and they want to find a solution for that. They're going to wake up thinking, why does it take me 3 hours to do something really simple? They're going to be thinking, how can I get my clients to do it themselves so they're not always asking me? They're going to be asking, why am I paying 3 premium plugins to do one thing? And if you can start to answer those questions, that is where your plugin videos need to start. That's what you need to be putting out there. Not how many settings and features you got. What is the problem that you can solve? So when you're creating plugin videos or doing some form of marketing, don't start with the features, start with the frustration, because that's what people are feeling. And when we're frustrated, we're more eager to find a solution. So let's say someone creates a plugin that's going to get your images in your media library, it's going to compress them and convert them into WebP. I guarantee you their video right at the start is going to talk about how we take your images, WebP, AVIF, cloud support, integration over here, bulk optimization, and then all of your URLs will be changed as well. This is great, but this is all very technical. Oh no. But it doesn't connect with me emotionally. And you got to remember, a lot of people don't care about the jargon and the techie words. They want to know that this is going to work for them. So rethink what you're saying. Maybe you want to change it to be something like, you've just built a website for you or a client, you've got all your impressive images loaded and everything looks fantastic. But when you start testing your website or visiting, you're finding that it's really slow. And you can't work out why, because your images are great. There's going to be so many people that are going to start nodding their head. They're going to connect to that emotionally. They've been there. They probably paid a premium to have a website built for them. So why are the images lagging? Why do they take so long to load? That's when you lead them into the solution. And when people are emotionally invested and you mention the plugin, it no longer becomes a technical term. It now feels like something that's going to solve their problems. It will feel like a relief to them. It's going to feel like they're saving time. It's going to feel like they don't have to worry about the problem in future. They can start to visualize the reward, the benefit, the outcome. But when you say cloud integration, AVIF, WebP, that doesn't mean anything to them. What you should have started off with was, what was their problem? Slow loading images. So we're going to give you something that stops your images loading slowly. It's not that difficult, is it? And I really think that this is something a lot of plugin companies at your sponsored booths, at WordCamps, at conferences need to start taking into account. When someone approaches you, don't just start reeling off all of the benefits and all of the little features and all of the click boxes you got. First, find out who they are. What are their problems? Because when you start reeling off all the features, if the person who approached you works for plumbers, so they build plumbers or construction websites, they might think, well, this doesn't really relate to what I'm doing, and it flies over their head and they're going to move on. And you're going to think you've lost a sale or a conversion. So the first thing you should do is ask them, what kind of websites do you build? What do you find most frustrating? Do your website images load quickly? Because then you're now having a different conversation. And when they mention something that you know your plugin can solve, that's when you ease yourself in. Oh, don't worry, we've got this plugin here, and really quickly it would sort that out for you, so you never have to worry about it again. That person, that web designer who only ever builds plumbing websites or construction sites, their ears are going to open. So when you relay back to them what their problem is and how you understand how frustrating it is, and you show them a possible solution and how it's going to change things for them and their life, that is storytelling. Storytelling connects emotionally, and you're going to see much better outcomes when you're talking to someone at WordCamps. Because imagine that web designer now walking away, and maybe they're not at WordCamp, maybe they're watching one of your YouTube videos, or they've seen one of your Twitter, LinkedIn posts. When they can see that you've mentioned how to sort out a problem and what the benefit and the reward or the outcome is, even though they've probably gone on to look at something else, or they're watching TV, or they've walked away, they may remember you. They may remember that conversation or what you showed or what you shared. But when you go all techie, you're going to lose them. We can't always assume that other web designers and other people will assume all of the techie stuff we say. Stop trying to be clever. Stop trying to make out you know more than everyone else. What you want to do is get onto the same level as them. Keep it simple. Keep it safe. So don't say, today I'm going to show you this plugin. Start off with, have you ever had this problem? Because when people understand the problem, they're more likely to stick around for the solution. Because in my experience, the best plugin videos out there aren't always about just the plugin. They're about helping someone to sort out a problem. And the plugin itself, well, that just happened to be what you need to use to get there. If you're struggling to reach your audience, or you want to brainstorm video marketing ideas, then get in touch with me. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. See you soon. Bye. One, 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 one.